Okay, let me give you a little behind the scenes sneak peek into our brand new content calendar. So when you jump into your OneDrop subscription, you're gonna come over here under categories and you're gonna select content calendars. You're gonna come up here and you're gonna sort by new. And up here you'll see our brand new, most recent content calendar that was just released. This next month, we're going into winter gifts, DIYs, and holiday fun with essential oils. So this calendar is really focused on a lot of DIY gift ideas for your community to be able to create some heartwarming gifts for their friends and family, or just fun activities with their kiddos, or fun things that they can cook or create at home. So just to give you an idea, the content calendar is a premium item. It is an add-on to your subscription, and what you're purchasing is this copy that's already done for you. This is really beneficial to utilize within your essential oil community, in a newsletter, within a blog post. But when you purchase this copy, you can always come in and tweak it as much as you want, but you'll copy the text. You will pick the graphic or photo that best fits your aesthetic or your look that you're going for, watermark that, and then paste this into your community. So let me jump over to the full content calendar just to give you an idea of how this actually works. So you can go jump to this calendar, or it's always under my account, under content calendars as well. So when you get into the content calendar, you'll see when you scroll down that you want to select the date that the month starts on. So for us, December starts on a Wednesday. So you'll come in here, you'll select Wednesday, you'll save that. And when you're on a desktop or a laptop, you'll have two different views that you can view the content calendar from. So you'll have our stacked view, or you will also have our calendar view. So it automatically defaults to our calendar view, where you can see each day what you're going to post each day, what the idea is, or you can come in here to the stacked view. The stacked view is what will show up if you are accessing it on your mobile device. So in here, you'll see again, you can come in here, you can expand the days, you can come in and you'll just copy the text, you'll pick the graphic that best fits your aesthetic, you'll download it, you'll put your brand or your watermark on the graphic itself, and then you'll go into your Facebook community and you can post the graphic with the copy. So this again allows you to share multiple days, weeks, pre-plan ahead, batch your copy and your content for your community. So you're consistently showing up and consistently educating. I feel like this is a really simple way to get your retention high and to help to educate your community in what they can utilize their essential oils for. And this whole month, as you can see, is a ton of really fun different DIYs, ornaments, room sprays, roller bottle blends. Another thing that you can do too is, as you come in here and you expand this, you can also, say you want to jump around, you want to do the holiday diffuser blend, and then you want to come down here to this spritzer. When you've utilized a day, you've already posted this, you can always check that off and it will actually gray it out for you. So if you're jumping around, maybe you're doing a different day every few months, you can actually jump around and you can know which ones you've already posted. So as always, a few bonus days for you, 31 days of copy that's already done, and easy for you to kind of lay back and enjoy the holiday season and still show up and educate your team consistently. So, and always, if you access any of our content calendars, they do stay, as long as you have an active membership with OneDrop, your content calendars will always stay in your user group or your builder group, depending on which one you purchase. So we hope you enjoy this content calendar, and feel free to reach out if you guys have any questions.